Welcome to CVPH Medical Center. The video you're about to see is designed to cover a range of practices and services at CVPH that you'll experience during your stay with us. At CVPH, thousands of employees in hundreds of different jobs all share a single goal: to provide you with the best care possible. We understand being here may be stressful, but rest assured, everything you see happening around you is done for a reason. If you ever have any questions about any aspect of your treatment, please ask. If the CVPH staff member doesn't know the answer, they will find someone who does. Thank you for trusting CVPH Medical Center with your care. We'll do everything possible to keep earning that trust. Now let's take a look at what's behind patient care at CVPH.
CVPH Medical Center has been treating the North Country for generations. And while patients haven't physically changed much since CVPH was built, the ways we treat patients certainly has. In fact, change in medicine has never been faster. For the next few minutes, we'd like to show you an overview of your care here at CVPH. Sometimes in medicine, things sound complicated. So if there are any terms you are not sure about, please ask a CVPH caregiver and they'll be happy to explain. You'll hear the term hourly rounding. Simply, this means a caregiver will be checking in on you at least once an hour. If you need anything in between these hourly rounds, contact the nursing station by pushing your call button. Take advantage of check-ins to ask questions and make requests. If you need a hand to get up or use the bathroom, it's the perfect time to ask. Write your questions down. That way you're prepared to get answers. You'll get to know the staff, including doctors, nurses, and aides. During shift change, there's an organized way information is carefully handed off to the next team member, and it happens directly in front of you. You'll hear and see this exchange, so please feel free to be part of it. Your specific care goals and plan will be reviewed to make a seamless transition between shifts. You'll see on your own whiteboard, located on the wall in front of you, updates and clearly stated care goals. The names of your nurses, care assistant, and housekeeper will be there, as well as dietary information, mobility status, and goals. Pain management and medication safety are priorities at CVPH. You have the right to pain management. You'll be informed of its role in your care with full explanations about pain and pain relief measures. We need to understand what pain you're experiencing and the history of that pain. Our goal is to deliver the right medicine in the right amount. If you have questions your nurse can't answer, they'll contact a CVPH pharmacy team member. Pharmacists routinely consult with the medical staff on your floor from 9 to 3 during the day, and the pharmacy is staffed 24 hours a day. Rapid response is available anytime you or a family member feel your condition is worsening and an urgent response is necessary. Anyone can call Rapid Response by dialing 0 on any hospital phone. Rapid Response team specialists include a critical care RN, a respiratory therapist, and a member of the leadership team. We hope you won't need to experience this level of urgent care, but it is available if necessary. Support from friends and family during your stay is important at CVPH, and you have the right to have visitors or not have visitors. It's your choice. And unless there is a restrictive medical circumstance, visitors are welcome anytime. From 5 a.m. to 9 p.m., your visitors will use the front lobby. After 9 p.m., visitors access the hospital through the Emergency Care Center, obtaining a pass and an escort. Visitors under the age of 12 must be accompanied by an adult. Labor, delivery and recovery suite, mother-baby unit, pediatrics, nursery, mental health, intensive care, and surgical waiting areas do have special visitor regulations. The noise policy at CVPH applies to everyone in the building. The SH campaign stands for Silent Hospitals Help Healing. Where possible, lights are turned lower, doors are closed, and voices lowered. If you would like, CVPH will provide you with earplugs, headphones, and an eye mask. Our staff will also respond quickly to pump alarms and call requests to make sure you rest as comfortably as possible. It's everyone's job to keep noise down. It's also everyone's job to control infections. Patients, healthcare workers, visitors, everyone needs to take extra steps to thoroughly wash their hands and use common sense with hygiene. You'll see workers washing their hands often, and it's important you always wash your hands after using the bathroom, before eating, and after any contact with visitors. Make sure your visitors wash their hands. It's for everyone's protection. If you experience dry skin, ask us for hand lotion. When the CVPH environmental team cleans your room, please help them by letting them do a thorough job. It only takes a short amount of time, but those minutes are critical in killing germs and controlling infections. CVPH is a smoke-free campus, including electronic cigarettes. If you need help to not smoke, even for a short period, please ask. Help is available. Speaking of help, did you know you have an advocate here at the hospital? Patient advocates work at CVPH but act as a neutral party. The patient advocate is here to help you with any issue not resolved to your satisfaction by the medical or administrative staff. The patient advocate is here to listen confidentially and to act proactively to resolve issues. Patients at risk of falling receive special attention through visual signs on doors, wristbands, and special socks. This may also mean additional protective equipment may be in the room. A healthcare worker may discuss the importance of ambulation with you and your family. Ambulation is a medical term that simply means moving around. Ambulation improves patient outcomes and allows for discharge sooner. To help you easily identify caregivers, CVPH staff uniforms are color-coded. For example, RNs and LPNs are in navy or white. Clinical assistants wear brown or khaki. There are a number of colors for various jobs, and we don't expect you to memorize them. But please note, all staff is clearly identified with CVPH credentials. While at CVPH, you may be treated by a doctor who is new to you. CVPH has an entire staff of doctors ranging from general practitioners to specialists that work exclusively at CVPH. They are known as hospitalists. By staffing a highly skilled team of hospitalists, CVPH guarantees immediate attention around the clock with dedicated experts in internal medicine. You may meet additional medical professionals during interdisciplinary rounds. Interdisciplinary means departments that are different but that work together. These may range from caseworkers, pharmacists, physical therapists, occupational therapists, to nurses and doctors who all participate in patient care by discussing treatment, medication, and outcomes. Your plan of care and discharge is reviewed constantly by your team of caregivers. Discharge planning at CVPH actually begins when you are admitted. You'll be followed carefully by a case manager throughout your stay. Your healthcare team works closely to ensure care both in the hospital and after your discharge. Close attention is paid to communicating your discharge care instructions, medications, and follow-up appointments. From admission to discharge, CVPH will follow the best medical treatment plan possible. This treatment plan includes communication with you. If you have questions, CVPH has the answers, so please make sure you and your family ask questions and get answers that you understand. At CVPH, we are dedicated to making sure your transition home is successful. Once home, you'll be following a treatment and recovery plan, so we will work with you to ensure you understand and can follow that plan.
We hope this video has provided you with information about what to expect with your hospital stay. We at CVPH are here 24 hours a day for you and your family, here to make you more comfortable, help you heal, and provide excellence every step of the way. Thank you for choosing CVPH.
CVPH Medical Center, enhancing the patient's experience and care one person at a time.